Waterfall is a linear, step-by-step model, perfect for projects with fixed requirements. The flow is simple: requirement, design, development, testing, deployment. But Agile, it's iterative and flexible. Work happens in sprints. Teams release small increments, take feedback, and improve again. In Waterfall, change is costly once development starts. In Agile, change is expected. If you want adaptability, faster delivery, stakeholder involvement, and continuous improvement, Agile wins. But both have their place depending on the project. Want more Agile insights? Keep watching Tech Career Finders.